Felix Nemetsa is something else, man. Now, the way he plays is just a joy to watch. He reminds me of a vintage Paul Pogba. The way he drives the team forward, receives it on the centre backs, and then on the half turn, or he would receive it, check his shoulders, and just a body feint and touch the ball the other side, and then he's out of the press. He beats his players so easily. He can play in the 8, he can play in the 10. I think if he should come to the Premier League, he will pass the Premier League, to be honest. He plays for Dortmund. I saw him since the Club World Cup. When he played for Dortmund against Sunderland, this is the first time I saw him. And then I've watched a couple of games of him in the Champions League and when he plays in the Bundesliga. But man, what a player this would be to have in the Premier League for one of the top sides, if it's, whether it's United or Chelsea. But he might just eventually probably go to Bayern Munich. But he's a joy to watch, man. You can see him, the way he played last night against Ivory Coast as well. The way he just drives the team forward. Team is under pressure, he receives the ball, beats the press with ease, and then he drives the team forward. I haven't seen much of his passing range though, but he just once he beats his 2 or 3 plays, he just plays the ball and then he makes a run into the box where he's also dangerous in scoring goals. But what a player Felix Nemetsa is. But yeah, what do I know about football?